In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly organize your files across different folders, making your digital life a whole lot easier. So let's dive in. First, begin by heading over to your Google Drive homepage. You can do this by opening your favorite internet browser and typing in google.com/drive, or simply searching for Google Drive in your search engine. Once there, make sure you're logged into the right Google account. You should see a list of your files and folders displayed on the screen. Getting here is the initial and most straightforward step to organizing your files effectively. Now that you are on the home page, take a moment to locate the files you want to save to multiple folders. Simply scroll through your available documents or use the search bar at the top if you know exactly what you're looking for. Hover over the files you're interested in and you'll see a checkbox appear to the left of each file name. Click these checkboxes to select the files you wish to organize. This allows you to select multiple files at once, making the process quicker and more efficient. Once you've chosen the files you want, it's time to copy them. For Windows users, you can do this easily by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, substitute Ctrl with Command. This simple action will copy your selected files, preparing them for duplication in another folder. Remember, what we're doing here is not to create new files, but simply to link the same file to multiple folders, ensuring that changes made in one are reflected across all linked locations. After you've copied the files, navigate to the folder where you want to paste them. You can do this by double-clicking on the folder in Google Drive that you wish to use, or by creating a new folder for more organization. Once inside the desired folder, simply press Ctrl and V on a Windows PC or Command and V on a Mac. This action will effectively paste a shortcut of the files here, making them accessible from multiple places. That's it, you've now successfully linked your files to multiple folders without creating duplicates, preserving storage space, and ensuring seamless updates across your Google Drive. By following these steps, you can keep your files organized and accessible from anywhere in your drive seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital content more effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.